fellas. Can you see me? Yeah, that's it. All right. It is a cold, windy day here on the ramp of Farmingdale. Come on in the shot, guys. Don't be scared. You guys look bored over there. All right. So, as you can see, all the snow behind us. It's been really one crazy winter, 2021, and it's about what, 10 degrees out here, something. Maybe less than that. It's really cold. But we really want to thank you guys for subscribing. We have reached the 500 mark on our YouTube channel, and we really appreciate all of you who have supported us. It means the world to us. So today we're on the ramp of Farmingdale again. It's been a long time since we were able to come out here because of the constant snow, and someone is starting up their engine.
Midway Ferry, company's going land 4 right, runway 31 center, line up wait.
Runway 31 center,
Challenger 8 Kilo Delta, stay parking. I'm sorry to get that. 8 Kilo Delta, turn right when able, cut to ground point 65.
White Unit, ground point 65.
Southwest 17.
So we had to restart because we had an airport start up. So, what do you guys have to say?
There's a product of aviation. I think hard to take wireless. So
Well, I don't think they can hear you, but we'll see when I edit it.
thanks to Fly Pro Aviation.
Fly like a pro aviation. Never ends.
Alright, here.
Alright, just finish it up.
Thanks to Fly Like Pro Aviation, I'm able to learn a lot that I would never have the chance to do. So I ask you to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. And also comment.
Good comments.
Good comments. Keep the comments positive or constructive, but no rudeness, guys. We don't like that. Let's leak that. So far so good. Thank you. And we're gonna take this puppy out over to Groton, Connecticut, and Rohan is gonna fly out. He's gonna be the PIC. Second in command is gonna be Romario, and then on the way back to New York from Groton, I'm gonna be the PIC, and he's gonna be second in command. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again for all the likes and watching the videos. We really appreciate it. And remember, we do have a store, Fly Like a Pro Aviation. You can buy our apparel, so that will help us continue to mentor these young men.
What number did you hit on YouTube?
We had 500 on YouTube. That was amazing. So we appreciate it. All right, we'll see you guys on board.
We're here in Groton, Connecticut. Romario, one of our students that were, one of the kids that we're mentoring, flew the leg over from Republic. He had to run inside to use the bathroom. We're here at Mystic Jet Center in Groton. Nice day. finally, after all the snow and ice and freezing temps. Cameron's over here with me as usual. So we're gonna head inside, you know, ask.
Take a look inside. I want to do a quick tour of the facility. This is Mystic Jet Center. We flew over from Farmingdale to Groton. Quick ride, not too far. It was about 118 miles or something like that.
Something like that.
All right, it's a cold day on the ramp, so we're gonna go in, take a look. Age before beauty. So we're inside. We got the young lady say, oh, where did she go? She ran away.
She ran away already.
So, who do we have here?
My name's Isabella.
Isabella.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So Isabella is at the front desk here at Mystic. And
Technically, flight batch operator.
flight batch operator.
Oh,
So
nice.
how has it been here since the weather?
The weather, well, usually we close down with the weather. Planes can't land with the ice and snow
Right.
on the ramp. So if it snows as much as we had over the 36 hours, it takes about a day or two to
Clean
get
up.
everything
Yeah.
clear and safe and ready to go.
Okay.
Cool.
So seems like a nice facility you have here. So you can come in and relax. And what's unique about your facility?
You know what? I really like that we have a napping area for
Yeah.
our pilots that travel for long hours.
Okay.
I feel like a lot of FBOs don't have that.
Right.
I also really think that our ping pong table and our coffee cafe is
Yeah,
very unique.
it
We have
is.
Lots of syrups.
It
and
is, yeah.
all types of options,
Absolutely.
and we just really like to put VIP on the top. VIP services we want to
That's great.
all of our clients. So
Absolutely.
that's a super unique things about us.
Perfect. So we're gonna just take a quick run around the
Yeah,
facility.
of
All right,
course.
thank you
Take
for
a
allowing
tour,
us.
Thank you.
enjoy.
Okay. All right. So this way. Beautiful fireplace.
I love this.
Yeah.
And it's through and through. Electric fireplace.
Uh-huh.
All right, here are the guys. We caught up to them. Romario, let's tell our viewers about your flight over. You can.
Yeah, my flight was good. It was a little bumpy, kind of a little bit of turbulence, but yeah, it was close, guys. It was a little bit of headwind, but it wasn't windy.
Okay, did you fly right seat or left seat?
I flew left seat.
Left seat. And how'd you navigate?
GPS and
Visual.
And visual. Yeah, right, because you had to follow the instruments, follow the coastline
Yeah.
all the way over, right? Did you use any airports as checkpoints on the way over?
yeah, I used Bridgeport in Connecticut as a checkpoint.
Okay, so we turned right after Bridgeport. Romario pretty much did the entire flight, right? I was there in the right seat as an informal instructor, but he had the controls. It was very smooth. You'll see in the video how well he flew, right? As a first timer, pretty much doing the full leg, he did really well flying over. Right, the landings he has to brush up on a little bit. Let's hear about the landing a little bit.
Well, the landing was I was kind of at a high altitude doing the landing approach, doing the approach. But the touchdown was a little bumpy because, as I said, I was high in altitude and I had to lose some altitude.
Okay, I'll give you some credit. That plane, once you cut the power, that plane tends to sink very fast out of the air. So I'll give you a little bit of that towards your landing. So some plus points instead of all minus points. Samuel is here with us. Samuel is one of Romario's friends. How'd you like his flying?
He was very good.
Be very rough on him. Be very rough. I'm just kidding.
He was very good for his first time.
Yeah.
It was quite better than I expected for his first time, except for the landing part. As the plane said, we cut the power, it sinks, but he did very good overall.
Did we bounce or did we get a nice smooth landing?
Yeah, did a bounce.
One bounce. All right, cool. So we're gonna
Continue with the tour.
right.
So over here, last time we were here, we had different flavor coffees. So we have water, It's not much here, I guess. I think it was more than that when we were here
Yeah, I
last
think there were plenty more.
Yeah, so different flavors. This is pretty good.
Yep.
Yeah.
Look at that, tiramisu. I didn't know there was a tiramisu coffee flavoring, but it's here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What the heck
pretty
is
cool.
tiramisu?
Oh, it's like a dessert or something. with
Okay.
A whole bunch of stuff in it.
All the different flavored coffee. Morning blend, Kona blend. All right. And let's see here.
That's where the cow sleeps.
That's where the cow sleeps. Cow juice. Very nice setup in here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go this way.
Ping pong.
We got ping pong here. The guys are about to start playing some ping pong. All right.
Still Christmas and Mystic. Still Christmas and Mystic.
Christmas and Mystic.
Yeah. Hey, why not, right?
Yeah. So it's a conference room here. Got wireless internet. Guess you can. This is where the pilot comes and they heat up their meals. You can sit down here and eat, and I guess do your flight plan if you like. Like a lunchroom.
Vending machines. I didn't know these were
They
back
got
there.
vending machines.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice little FBO.
Right. Oh, I gotta show you the restroom. It's really nice.
Oh, yeah. Just ask if anyone's in there before it's surprising.
Let's go here first.
Okay.
This is the crew lounge. Real nice setup. Nice chairs.
Watch TV, relax,
Yeah.
unwind.
All right.
Uh,
Oh, they got a
little,
little sleeper in here as
Yeah.
well.
little day beds for
Yeah.
taking a nap.
Like a little hotel room, huh?
Yeah.
A little hotel room in Tokyo. Yeah. All right. They got blankies, books. Very nice.
Nice setup. Cool.
They got the women's restroom, but we're not gonna go in.
We're not going in there. I don't want to be in trouble.
There's no one in here. Look at this awesome setup.
Right? This I'm very surprised at, because usually when you go in, it's paper napkins,
Yeah.
you know, there are combs,
Yeah.
floss. You know, this
Real
is
nice
freaking
setup.
awesome.
Makes me want to do my spa bathroom like this.
Yeah, this is nice. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Very nice. Now they even have the airplane mats.
Yeah. I won't show you the urinals, right, but the mats are pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, I
And,
think.
and a changing room, so you could bring
Yeah.
the kids here.
Yeah. Daddy duties. Look at the ceiling here. Got the nice model planes up
Missed
there.
that. I missed that on the way in. Yeah, still Christmas at Mystic.
And then we got this one, the Pilgrim Airlines. Remember Pilgrim Airlines?
I don't remember Pilgrim at all.
I don't think they exist anymore.
Yeah. Where they fly to.
Pilgrim is like a northeast. I think it's northeast area.
Yeah.
So, folks, if you ever want to come over to Mystic, this is a place to come and hang out.
Yeah.
Nice FBO, nice and warm in here. So, remember, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.